Hey, to connect your Android 15 smartphone into the TV, first of all, you will have to open settings. Now go for the network and internet and be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network on your phone, and also to the same Wi-Fi network you have to be connected on your TV or, for example, or to any external display. Then just go back from this settings. Now you will have to go back again and move for connected devices. Right now, scroll all the way down, select Connection Preferences, and move Forecast. Right now, in my case, there's like no nearby devices found because I just didn't turn on my TV. But if you actually turn on your TV and if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both devices, you will be able to find your TV just right here. And all you have to do is just to tap on it, then accept the connection request with your remote controller on the TV, and you will be connected. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.